fly with the stars in the skies. I am no longer trying to survive. I believe that life is a prize, but to live doesn't mean you're alive. Don't worry about me and who I fire. I get what I desire, it's my empire. And yes, I call the shots, I am the umpire. I sprinkle holy water upon the vampire. In this very moment I'm king. In this very moment I slay Goliath with the sling. This very moment I bring, put it on everything, that I will retire with the ring, and I will retire with the crown. Yes, no I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Yes, clap for the heavyweight champ, me. But I couldn't do it all alone.
I enter in this competition for my experience and to win. I am spontaneous. I am Miss Dancehall Zone.
Couldn't faze me. Ain't being cocky, we just vindicated. Best believe that when we done this moment we'll be syndicated. I don't know, this night just remind me of everything they deprived me of.
I enter this competition to gain experience, exposure, and to become a role model to young teenage girls in the community of Brayton. I'm Humdinger, a very important person. I am Miss Early Beginnings Preparatory School.
I entered this competition because from I was a little girl, I wanted to experience what a model is. I am beautiful. I am Miss Brown Brothers.
I entered this competition to gain experience and to be exposed to new people, new things, and new places. I am beautiful. I am Miss Expenders.
I entered this competition for the exposure. I am confident. I am Miss Marvelous Plural Creation.
Bow to me, drop down to your knees. Young Money, the mafia, that's where the love sees. I'm in the Dominican, Big Papi Ortiz, doing target practice. All these bitches just aiming to please. Shout out to the CEO.
I entered this competition because I wanted to show the feminine side of me. I am multi-talented. I am Miss Cybernet Cafe.
Young King, pay me a gold. 40 got a bunch of weed, he ain't even roll. These niggas be dropping songs, they ain't even cold. Weezy on top and that nigga ain't even home yet. Yeah, be very afraid. These other rappers getting bodied and carried away. Fucking me and Nicki getting married today. And now you bitches that be hating can catch a bouquet. Ooh, yeah, you a star in my eyes. You and all them white girls, party of 5. Are we drinking a little more? I can hardly decide. I can't believe we really made it, I'm party surprised. I swear, damn, this one for the books. Man, I swear this shit is as fun as it looks. Man,
I entered this competition for the exposure, experience, and to help build my confidence. I am Miss Spicy Couture.
For life, cause in this moment I just feel so alive.
I entered this competition for the fun and experience and to show my fellow competitors what I am capable of. I am lovely. I am Miss Rance Art of
This is my moment, I just feel so alive.
I entered this competition because I'm confident. I possess the intelligence, the knowledge, and the grace to be crowned Miss Brayton 2013. I am unique. I am Miss Carnegie Auto Rental Limited.
Drifting away, I'm one with the sunset. I have become alive. I wish that I could have this moment for life.
I entered this competition to build my self-confidence, for the exposure, for communication skills, interviews, and also to be a role model. And I entered this competition to win. I am courageous. I am Miss Pot Fashion.
I wish that I could have this moment for life. For life. For life. This is my moment, I just feel so alive.